Hello everyone. In this video, we will prepare 10 easy lines about World Environment Day. So let's start. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. It is first held on 5 June 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. On this day, we raise awareness to protect the environment. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. This day is an opportunity for the world to come together on environmental issues. Issues like pollution, global warming, biodiversity are the main focus on World Environment Day. On this day, many action programs are organized to support and protect our environment. School, colleges, government and non-government organizations plant saplings on this day. We all need to contribute to save our environment by planting trees, saving trees, reducing the uses of plastic, and by saving all natural resources. The environment has given so much to us. Now it is our duty to keep it safe. Remember, saving our environment is in our hands. So keep it clean, keep it green. Happy World Environment Day.